when it's winter time in Texas and the frost is on my nose. I'm out here on the old boat, I can barely feel my toes. Just trying to catch a big one, don't really care what kind. As long as it has scales and gills, I guess I'll be just fine. What is up, my beautiful anglers and anglerettes? I am at it again. I'm on a solo mission today. I'm back on Lake LBJ. So last time we were here, as you know, you just saw the last video, we just killed on white bass, and I just couldn't wait to get out here again. I want to see if I can repeat what we did last time. There's supposed to be no wind all day, which is the reason I'm out here, because I really want to find a really calm day where we can sit in one place, kind of do some fishing. I'm gonna see if I can kind of give you some more specific tips and tricks on how we caught all those fish, assuming I can recreate. So stick around, I'm gonna do my best. I don't want to just show you just pulling one fish after another out of the water. Well, I do want to show you pulling one fish after another out of the water, because that's what I want to do. But I want to kind of give you a little better idea, kind of maybe show you what it looks like on the graph, so you can kind of see what that looks like as well. I really struggled for a long time knowing what fish even look like. I mean, like, you know, I watched all these videos on YouTube, like, oh, those are fish, those are fish. I'm like, how do you know? And so I finally got to the point where I could see fish. I'm like, well, that looks like a fish to me on the graph. But then I still didn't know how to catch them. So maybe I finally had a little breakthrough and I can finally kind of figure out how to catch fish as well. Today is going to be the test. Maybe last time was just blind dumb luck, but today we're going to see same place, same lake, same spot. We're going to see if I can repeat the results. Let's get after it. So as a bass fisherman, it feels so weird to just kind of be out here in the middle of the lake. I feel like I should be hugging a shore somewhere. But here's what I'm looking at. So you can see over here, we've got some pretty steep changes in elevation under the water. Here's the main river channel. We've got this whole break coming off. So I'm watching my radar here. Look, you can already see fish right there on the radar. All right, so that is what I'm looking for right there. So again, I'm just driving over this trough. I found that on a little hump. So I threw out my buoy. I'm gonna let that get down to the bottom, and then I'm just going to jig this spot. Here's what I'm gonna be using. And let's see what we can do. There we go. All right. Are they still on? Did you get off? Oh, you got off. All right. Well, there's fish here. That's good. That's a fish. That's a fish. There it is. That's, oh, that feels like a good one. Ooh, that feels like a good one. That is definitely a good one. Wow. All right. Look at that. Mama asked for a catfish. What did I get? Yes, I did, young man. I know. Fish number one was for Mama Bear. All right, so I'm on the bottom. How can I tell I'm on the bottom? Well, you can see that my line's not going into the water anymore. So I'm gonna take some of that slack out, and I just want to just pop this up and down off the bottom. fish already? Oh my gosh, I do believe it is. Look at that. Man, I hadn't even jigged that thing, and there's already a fish on it. Man, this one feels good too. There he is. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. White bass, baby. We're back. Alright, so we're on the bottom now. Give it a couple of jigs. And we should get a fish, I hope. We got one, that's good. There's a fish. Ooh, this one feels good too. Ooh, look at him go. Another huge one. He's not done yet. He's not done yet. Are you done? Huh? Are you done? All right. Look at that. Another chunk. If you were not fishing deep in the winter for white bass, you are missing out. These things are just hanging out on the bottom. They are killing these silver spoons, and they are big and fat and beautiful. I love it. I know a lot of people just fillet their white bass and just fry it up. We actually like to bake ours. I eat the whole fish. Well, as in the bones, of course, but like even the meat and the cheekbones is good. I don't know, I just feel bad filleting fish. I feel like I'm wasting so much of the meat, so much of the good stuff. I want to get to the good stuff. All right, looks like we still got a little something going on down there. No, dang it. Dang it. I don't know what that is down there. I have deposited something on that rock before, or whatever, a tree limb or whatever it is. Well, there's one lure down. So I lost that slab I was using, so I've had to change to something else. I don't want to get too big, because I'm afraid if I get too big, it's not going to be as enticing. It's the last time I was here, and they were chasing some pretty small shad. But when I got them home and cut them open, there were some pretty good sized shad in their stomach. So I'm not sure which one is going to work better. Oh, that's a fish. It was a fish. Not now. Oh, that is a fish. Yes, it is. That is a fish. Doesn't feel as big as the first two I caught, but it still counts. Look at that. Look at that. Man, they are fat and they are hungry. Come on, fishies. There we go. You got fish jumping out here? Oh, this one feels a little meatier. A little meatier. Like he's gonna have a little more for me to snack on come dinner time. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that pretty little white bass. Come here, dude. Oh, we hooked him in the noggin. All right, he straight up missed that lure and took one to the face. That's a fish. Finally, there we go. I felt like a decent one for a second, but now it kind of feels... Did I even get it? Oh, I did. All right. He fought good there for a second, and then he just kind of gave up. Ow. He just kind of said, oh, shucks. That's fish. That's not a bad fish either. Look at that dude. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Swim around a little bit. Hey, I got an indoor swimming pool that I think you're really gonna enjoy. There you go. There you go. This weather is amazing. I guess the second week of January. It's 50 something degrees outside and there is no wind. I mean, it's just super calm, and that makes it so easy to do this kind of fishing. You know, I came in here the other day to fish, and there's another one, and it was windy and I couldn't stay in one place long enough to fish anything, and so it was really frustrating. But when there's no wind, I mean, the reason I'm out here today is just because I looked at the weather and there's no wind. And when I see this, it just lets me know that, you know, I can keep my boat in one place, which is key, because if I can't keep my boat in one place, well, for a couple reasons. One, if I can't keep my boat in one place, obviously I can't fish that spot. But two, if I can't keep my boat in one place, my lure presentation is not going to be right. You know, this straight up and down vertical jigging that I'm trying to do is just not going to be effective when the boat's moving, because my jig is going to be going horizontally. Yeah. Oh yeah. Them's the fishies I want. There's a fish. Now don't come off this time, dude. Don't come off this time. There we go. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go. Look at this dude. Oh my gosh. That is a chunk. Oh my gosh. Look at that, folks. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Really? You don't say. Wow. I don't know if this guy's big, but he's certainly feisty. Yeah, he's big enough. He's big enough. Oh my gosh, there's something under the ground, under the water here. And there's just fish stacked up on it. Let's see, once I get down there, let's see what I can do. I mean, if there are fish there, this shouldn't take Shouldn't take long if I dropped it in the right place. Now, of course, I'm dropping this right behind the boat, but you got to remember that the cone going out, goes out kind of in a pyramid shape. And there's fish, and it's pretty deep, so we don't know exactly if the fish are right behind the boat or if they're a little bit off to the side, but apparently it didn't matter. Man. Another catfish. Look at that. I think this dude's actually a little too small though. Like, you are not big enough to keep. Oh, catfish slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Surely I can catch something here. Yep, there we go. I still have him. No. Dang it. Man, that was impressive. That's a fish. Wow. Doesn't feel like a white bass though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I got, but that is not a white bass. I'm gonna guess catfish. Come on. All right, gotta keep constant pressure on him. Man, this is not the best line for this. Gotta take what I can get. Okay. No, 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 no. That was not what I meant to do. Come on. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh man. How you doing? Oh my goodness. Did you just burp at me? Look at this dude. Yes. Wow. That was crazy. That was crazy. That was a ton of fun. I wasn't sure I was gonna get him in, but I knew as soon as that drag started flying like that, that was not a white bass. I got catfish slime all over me. That was a good catfish. Mama Bear is gonna be super happy with that one. I'm gonna get back to fishing as soon as I can find my buoy. I don't know where I am now. But anyway, let's get back to catching fish. Well, that was fun. There we go. This feels more like the white bass variety than the big honker catfish variety. Come on, Mr. Fish. Or it could just be an LMB. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Time to weigh this dude. Take him off of there. 5.31. This is a new personal best bass for me. Yes. 5.31 largemouth bass in the winter, jigging in 50 feet of water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, dude, let's give you another drink. Hold on. All right. See you later, baby. Thanks for playing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Two fish back to back. One a huge catfish, the second a personal best largemouth bass. You know, you never know when you get on the boat and you come in here, you never know what's gonna happen. I know a 5-pound bass is not, it's not like not setting world records or anything, but that's the biggest largemouth bass I've ever caught. And you just never know. It's cold outside, and like I could have stayed in bed, but it's this is why you fish, right? This is why you come out and do this. That was amazing. That was just amazing. I wish, Nikita, I wish you were here so we could celebrate that together.
Hello.
I just caught my personal best largemouth bass.
No way. Jigging?
Jigging.
How much?
5.31.
No way. I bet you lost it.
Yes. Yes. I wish you would have been here. Oh.
Man, that's so crazy.
So I've already got 2 catfish and I've got 10 white bass in the box already.
How long have you been out there?
A couple hours.
That's not bad at all. That is too good.
Oh.
That is too good.
Okay, I gotta get back at it.
All right, well, catch a lot more. When does the wind pick up today?
It's like tomorrow.
All right, well, y'all go crank some big ones.
All right. I'll let you know if I catch.
If you catch a 9-pounder.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Go for that double digit.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah. Man, these things are so healthy. Healthy. There we go. There we go. So, you know, when you ask somebody, hey, how's the fishing? And they say, yesterday, I caught my limit. Yesterday was great. Right? And I was always like, oh, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was great. Well, I guess today is my yesterday. Because things are going well right now. Wow. Goodness gracious. Oh, there's a bunch right under here. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm looking for. And that's why I threw that little one back. Yeah. Oh, this is. Goodness gracious. Wow. That there he is. There he is.
Yep.
You got one? Let me get.
This is the weirdest pull ever for me. You don't like that spike whale?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at that hook up. Yeah, I did.
Sorry.
Okay, actually, I kind of know how to fish it now. You know, I got tapped.
Yeah.
Before I let it, you know. And then when I tap, I lift up and I caught the fish.
Yeah.
Man, you didn't tell me the last step.
You have to figure some things out on your own. Here's one for you. Ooh. Wow. Oh.
Strong?
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go.
I got hit and I couldn't stand it.
Man, you gotta put slack in my line. You hit me so hard. Oh, ho, ho, crappie, baby. Are you stuck or is it a fish? Oh, that's a fish.
What the heck?
Dude, that's a big old catfish.
No, don't
Give it. Loosen your drag a little bit. That's gotta be a fish. No? You don't think? Is it still taking line?
Yeah.
No, but look at the way it's jerking. That's a fish. Hold on, I'm coming.
There's no way the fish is that big. This is... Oh,
That's...
this is like fish in the ocean.
Oh.
Things like that.
All right.
There's no way. Are you serious? Maybe I'll hook up something at the bottom, right? There's no way that fish is that
Just
big.
quit reeling for a second.
What do you think?
If it's a fish, it's a huge, like, flathead catfish or something.
Ah!
Your line was jerking like it was a fish.
It's a fish.
It is a fish?
Got to be a fish. Yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
I never find a fish that big in the lake. Dang. Are you kidding me? What kind of fish is this?
It's got to be a catfish. Or a shark?
I never fire. This is, I got this light tackle. Just I can. Yes, I'm gaining ground. Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me come over there again.
No way! Come on! I want a fish to eat, not a fish to fight. Like that.
It's definitely a fish.
Yeah. Holy cow!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Get this.
Oh, no, come on, I can't get, oh, I need to get his head.
Hold on.
Oh, sorry, dang it. Okay, there he is.
Are you able to get it?
Ooh.
Do you think you're gonna break that thing?
Oh,
Holy man.
oh my gosh.
I'm trying to take a picture of you. Man,
Oh my gosh.
you are gonna hold that fish because that fish.
Oh my gosh.
I never got a fish that big. A catfish. No,
Wow.
that's the first catfish. You have to grab that thing because there's no way. My boat will sink if I hold that thing. You better find a place to hold that thing. Holy
Oh my gosh.
You have nothing to weigh that thing, right?
Yeah, I got a scale.
Okay.
31 pounds.
Only 31 pounds?
31 pounds. Oh.
Hey. Come on. Holy mackerel, that's
Oh my gosh.
oh wow. I'm gonna throw it. It's just too heavy.
Yes.
I'm not gonna throw it in water. I'm gonna let go, okay?
Yeah.
Sorry. Are you okay? Good. Lord. Lord.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You're fine.
I was like, we're like, no, that can be a fish, so. But hey, that's good.
Oh my gosh, what an epic day of fishing. I limited out on white bass. I caught a personal best largemouth bass. D-Lynn came out and caught a 31, I think it was 31 pound catfish. This was amazing. This was a really, really good day. And it's still just, it's still just showing fish after fish. It's really hard to go home right now, but the sun's fixing to go down. I'm out here by myself. I don't want to load the boat in the dark, and it's fixing to get really cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the house. Thank you all so much for hanging out and for watching. I hope you enjoyed just at least a smidge as much as I did. This was really, really cool. We will see you again soon. Remember, if your hook's not in the water, you can't catch fish. And we will catch you next time.
Later.